Yeah, your mom's a hoe bag. Yeah, up in there, man. Yeah. Fuck that shit. Yeah, man.
Oh, hi Anthony. Tyler's upstairs jerking off.
Man, what the hell? Come on, you cum bucket sucker.
Yo, dog, when I go to the mall,
Man, we are going, man. It's just that my mom didn't give me the money yet.
so go ask her for the money then.
Oh no, oh my god, oh goodness. Not again. Heavens to bed.
Mom, I need $100.
Tyler, baby, didn't I give you $100 yesterday?
Mom, that was yesterday. I need the money today.
Tyler, baby, I can't give giving you money like that.
Man, you're such a fat cow. That's why Dad left you.
Tyler, I know you're stressed out because of the divorce, but you don't have to talk to me that way.
Man, screw you. I need $100 to go to the mall. You won't give me the money. You whore.
Tyler, there's no need for you to talk to me
What did you
in that
do with all
voice.
the money?
You
Spend
need
it
to
on
stop.
crack? I
Tyler,
wanna live
you're
with
20
Dad.
years
Why won't you
old.
let me
If you
live
want
with
to go
Dad?
live
I
with
don't
your
wanna live
father,
with you
then go.
anymore.
Tyler,
Such a
baby, you
fat
need to
cow.
calm down
I hate
right
you.
now. You
Anthony, why were you in my sister's room?
I was cocking her up.
What? You were born in my sister?
Yo, what you acting surprised for, dog? I was hitting that since high school.
Man, that's my twin.
And what it have to do with me?
Man, that's all kinds of fucked up. You're not supposed to be boning my sister.
Well, she called me to her room, so I went.
Man, what if I had sex with your sister? How would you feel?
Yo, Kyle, my sister would never look at you.
What, you trying to say she won't like this white chocolate?
My sister would mash you up. Easy.
Why did you two idiots call me out of my house for this?
Mimi, can you believe this guy's boning my sister? He's okay with it?
Tyler, come on, even I lost my virginity to your sister.
What? You trying to tell me my sister is gay? Wait, I didn't know this. Y'all ain't my friends.
You, stop your nice and forward.
Nah, now I need counseling. Anthony, you're gonna pay for my counseling.
Nobody's in here.
Yo, you have customers. Hello? Serve.
Yo, where's the worker?
Obviously there's no one here, moron.
Sweet, let's steal some candy.
What you're this big boy about steal candy? You're too grown for that about steal candy.
Come on, man, just one Snicker.
Yo, come on other people let me know with your foolishness, alright? I'm in the mood.
God, what am I gonna eat now? I'm high as hell.
Anthony, stop being a coward.
Think me I get dick for you, boy? Come.
Man, you guys are lame. Super lame.
Well, look who is Mimi and her two little followers.
Kenzo, what are you doing here?
Yo, wait, acting like you're not happy to see me, Mimi.
Oh shit, is that Kenzo?
You, a ball, yeah, ball. Man up, man, I want to you.
Mimi, why don't you want to be my girlfriend now? And I would treat you so good.
Newsflash, moron, I'm gay.
What? That's even better. I can have a second wife. And she can go to bed with me and you.
Yo, you sound like a waste man. She said she don't want you. Move on.
What does degenerate think he's talking to?
You fool, who else?
Come on, Anthony, it's not worth it, okay?
Yo, bro, just go on, okay? We don't want no trouble.
Oh, please. I can break your leg in half. You don't know who we're talking to.
Oh shit, he's gonna kill Anthony, isn't he?
Kenzo, what are you doing?
Shit, Mom, what are you doing here?
That's his mom. She's hot as hell.
Kenzo, are these your little friends? Hi, everyone.
Mom, I told you to stay in the house.
Hi, are you Kenzo's friend?
Yeah, me and him go way back.
Mom, I told you to stay in the house.
I'm sorry, Kenzo. Is that you took so long to come back? I got worried.
Man, Anthony, that was so cool how you stood up to Kenzo.
Yeah, with no help from you. But it's alright.
Thank you, Anthony, for defending me.
You're cool, man. Let's hurry before the mall closes.
Wait, what about me? I helped.
Shut up, Tyler.
But I did. I mean, I said something. Come on, guys.
Tyler, now your friend are from high school.
Hi, Andrew. Are you okay?
Oh, hi Mimi. Sorry, I was pissing out. I'm kinda tired.
So, how you been? How's life?
It's okay. I mean, I'm doing a lot better now. Someone bought me this tent, so I have somewhere to sleep now.
Oh, go on, Tyler. You remember me?
Wait, you're Anthony, right? Oh yeah, I remember you. You used to always get all the girls, man. How you been?
I'm just here, man. Surviving.
There's this kind of course like a mini reunion.
Yeah, if only Ashley was here, then we'll have the whole gang ready.
Where is Ashley? Did she move? She moved, right? She went back to Portugal?
Yo, Tyler, why don't you come to the mall with us?
Oh, I don't have any money, and I better wear the same clothes for like 3 days now. I don't really want to embarrass you guys, because I kind of smell.
Wait, I have an idea. I have a gym membership. You can take a shower there.
Man, are you sure? Then I don't want to be a burden or anything.
No, man, it's cool. I'll get you some clothes too, man. Don't worry about it. I have some extra clothes in my locker, because I go to the gym a lot, you know?
Thanks. I really appreciate it.
Don't worry, Andrew. I'll buy you some food too, okay? I know you must be hungry.
Dude, we have fight Andrew for what happened between the two of us.